Have you ever imagined receiving $3,000 per month without having to work for it? It sounds like a dream, but the truth is that it's entirely possible through dividends. And the best part, you don't need to be an expert or have a lot of money to start. Anyone can build this income stream by following a smart and consistent strategy. In today's video, I'm going to show you a complete step-by-step guide to turning small investments into a continuous cash flow. So, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any content that will help you achieve financial freedom. Dividends are the key to building a solid passive income. But what exactly are they? They represent a portion of the profits that companies distribute to their shareholders. In other words, when you buy shares of good companies that pay dividends, you become a shareholder and start receiving a portion of the profits regularly. It's like receiving rent, but without having to worry about tenants or property maintenance. Even better, these payments can be reinvested to accelerate your earnings. If this makes sense to you, drop a comment below and let me know if you already invest in dividends or are just starting out. Why are dividends an effective strategy? Dividends are predictable. Solid companies pay dividends regularly, ensuring a steady cash flow. Additionally, when you reinvest these dividends, you create a snowball effect where your earnings grow exponentially over time. Compared to other forms of passive income, like rental properties, dividends are much more practical. If this content is helping you, go ahead and hit the like button because it helps the channel grow and bring this knowledge to more people. How much money do you need to live off dividends? The big question is, how much money do you need to generate $3,000 per month in dividends? The answer depends on the dividend yield of the stocks you choose. If you invest in stocks that pay an average of 6% per year, you would need approximately $600,000 invested to reach that goal. But don't worry. You can start with $500 or $1,000 per month and reinvest your dividends to speed up the process. The secret is discipline and time in the market. To help you out, subscribe to the channel because I always bring content that will accelerate your journey toward passive income. The power of compound interest. When you reinvest dividends, your capital grows, and in the next payment cycle, you receive even more dividends because you own more shares. This exponential growth is one of the biggest allies of investors. If you want to see this effect happen in your life, hit the like button and comment below if you already knew about this strategy. How to choose the best dividend stocks. There are some essential criteria for selecting good dividend stocks. First, choose companies with a solid history of dividend payments. Next, analyze the payout ratio and profit growth over the years. And, of course, diversify your portfolio to reduce risks. If you liked these tips, subscribe to the channel because I always bring valuable content to help you. Step guide to building your passive income. Open an account with a reliable brokerage. Choose good companies based on the criteria discussed. Create a plan for monthly contributions. Reinvest your dividends to accelerate growth. Review your portfolio periodically. Now, leave a comment. Which of these steps do you think is the hardest to follow? Common mistakes when investing in dividends. Many investors lack patience and try to get quick results, which can lead to poor decisions. Another common question is whether it's worth selling stocks that have stopped paying dividends. The answer depends. If it's temporary, it may be worth holding on. But if the company loses its fundamentals, it may be time to reassess. Diversification and investing abroad. Investing abroad can be a great diversification strategy. There are companies in the United States that have been paying dividends for decades, and investing in strong currencies can be advantageous. Additionally, dividend ETFs are excellent options for those looking to diversify with lower risks. If this advice was useful to you, hit the like button and share this video with someone who needs to learn more about dividends. The importance of consistency. The secret to success in dividend investing is consistency. Small monthly contributions can turn into a significant source of income over the years. Time is your greatest ally. So, don't wait any longer. Start today. How asset allocation works. Asset allocation is a fundamental concept for any investor. Knowing how to balance investments between growth stocks, dividends, and fixed income can optimize your earnings and minimize risks. How to protect your dividends during economic crises. During economic crises, some companies cut dividends to preserve capital. Investing in resilient and diversified companies can protect your passive income during these times. Not all companies are good dividend payers. Some sectors, such as energy, banking, and telecommunications, historically have companies that consistently distribute dividends. Not all high dividends are sustainable. Some companies distribute more than they can afford and end up reducing payments in the future. Paying attention to the payout ratio and the company's history is essential. How to create a sustainable investment plan. Creating a realistic investment plan is essential to maintaining discipline over the years. I'll show you how to set goals and track your progress efficiently. Now, before we wrap up, I want you to imagine how your life would be if you had an extra $3,000 per month without having to work for it. You could travel more, spend more time with your family, or simply enjoy greater financial peace of mind. The path to this is in your hands, and all you need to do is start. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I will continue to bring valuable content to help you on this journey. See you in the next video. Anna's story, a real-life example. Anna was always afraid to invest. She believed the stock market was risky and that only experts could make money. But after learning about dividends, she decided to start slowly, investing $300 per month. With a modest salary, Anna cut unnecessary expenses and allocated part of her income to stocks of solid companies. She created a financial plan and focused on the long term. During economic downturns, Anna saw some stocks drop in value but remained calm and kept reinvesting her dividends. She learned that patience and discipline are essential for success. After 10 years of consistent contributions and reinvesting dividends, Anna began receiving $2,500 per month, which allowed her to reduce her work hours and spend more time with her family. Anna's story teaches us that anyone can achieve financial freedom with discipline and time. If she did it, you can too. If this content inspired you, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more valuable tips. Now, before we wrap up, I want you to imagine how your life would be if you had an extra $3,000 per month without having to work for it. You could travel more, spend more time with your family, or simply enjoy greater financial peace of mind. The path to this is in your hands, and all you need to do is start. If this video helped you in any way, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications because I will continue to bring valuable content to help you on this journey. See you in the next video.